Go on over here and feed little red pig. Little pig. Oh, scared you, baby. How you doing? What you doing? Huh? You made it to that little snow ice we had, huh? Yeah. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. Oh, oh, still skittish. Got some work to do on these chicken tractors too. Need new tops on them. And some of them got to be fixed on the sides like this one. Yep, it's all right though. We'll get them fixed. Yeah, got chickens coming. Well, we ain't ordered them yet, but they should be in by the beginning of March sometime. We'll be ordering them February 25th. So got a couple carrots growing. You're doing all right. And this is what the beds look like. It's a whole bunch of nothing. A couple strawberries in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About a dozen in there. It's still growing. It's cold out here, but it don't get too cold out here. Not down in South Carolina. Oh. Yep. It's a mix of June bearing and ever bearing strawberries. You're gonna look good come springtime. This is what's left of the peas. Or excuse me, not the peas, beans. Beans. It's a mix of cover crop beans. Yep. And some sunflowers. We got chicken manure, pig manure, wood chips, compost. Oh yeah, good stuff. The old orange tree, one of two. Get it looking pretty come spring. This is what we got left of our collards. Magnificent. Again, the bed. Oh, I missed one. Isn't that gorgeous? Poor thing. We had a real problem with the cabbage moths this year, but this bed, like I was saying, has the chicken manure, pig manure, compost, and wood chips in it as well. Every bed does. There's some more strawberries back there, all the way back that way to the fence line. Oh yeah, another small patch of strawberries, holding up well. Let's keep those covered a little. Big old bushes of rosemary. Four decent clumps of lavender. These zinnias are fierce. They are going strong. This here was the bee balm. Still see a little bit down here. Lemon balm, more strawberries, all the way down to there. And these are sage plants. They're still doing great. The old tiny little rutabaga. Look at you. Oh, 2 of them. Another little one. Another one. The okra was right here. That was the red amaranth. The Kiwano melons were running up the fence there. And this old planter box here I built for the old lady. Nothing massive. It's a little 4x4. It had lettuce, tomatoes, the golden, let's see, was it? Oh, that was the red romaine lettuce that was there. Look, that's as much snow as we got. There you go. There's our snow. There were some onions in here, eggplant, squash. The only thing that really produced was the lettuce and those golden cherry tomatoes. And I think we got a couple sweet banana peppers. Yep. Try and keep your soil covered with something, anything. Leaves, straw, hay, anything. Try and make sure it's sourced appropriately so you don't have glyphosates and other things in it, chemicals, sprays, pesticides, herbicides, paints, things like that. If you're using hays and straws that you just grab around, just be careful. Make sure you're sourcing it right. It's pretty chilly out here. You have a good day.